For this video, I am going to teach you how to link a story to an epic here in Jira. So the process is very simple, and the first thing that you need to do is to simply log into your account or into your Jira account with the appropriate permissions to edit your stories, because if you don't have the appropriate permissions, then you won't be able to do this one. So let us continue with the steps. So as you can see right here, or before we go here, from your dashboard, you need to make sure that you are in the backlog section. So you just locate that on the left hand side of your screen. Go to the backlog. It should be the second option that you have there. So now once you are in here on the section, you'll be able to see this epic right here on the list. These are all of my epics that I have created, and on this section, these are all of my stories and also my sprints on this section. Now, if you don't have this section right here, this is very simple. So what you need to do is to click onto this epic button and then just make sure that this is toggled on, or this option is toggled on. It says right here, show epic panel. So I'm going to show you if I toggle this off, then that section will disappear, and if I toggle that on, then it will appear. So as simple as that. So now let us continue with the steps. So as you can see right here, it says right here sample epic for tutorial. So this is basically an indication that this specific story is already linked to a epic here in mine. So it says right here sample epic story or sample epic for tutorial, and also it's right here sample epic for tutorial. So I'm going to show you how I did this. So the first method that you can do is to simply drop and drag that story into an epic. So I'm going to show you how I did that. So drag it to the specific epic that you want to put it into or to link it into, and it says right here marketing. So I'm going to do that again. So I'm going to link that into a research epic, and it's gonna say right here research. So there you go. So that is the first method, and the second one that you can do, or the second method that you can do, is simply click onto a specific story, just like so. Double click onto it until you see this detail section on the right hand side of your screen, and once you scroll down, locate this parent right here, click onto this section, and all of your epics will appear in the drop down menu. So I'm going to select this one for the first one, and it basically the same to your story. So that story is now linked into that epic. So you can just do that in every story that you have. And if you want to unlink it, you can simply click for the epic right here, and then from the option or from the drop down menu, hit unlink, and then that will unlink that story from the epic. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.